Want to activate and use Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max? So let's turn on Apple Intelligence and make Siri even more useful. You'll just need to open Settings, then scroll down, select Apple Intelligence and Siri, and turn on Apple Intelligence. Tap on Setup, and now it will ask you which features you want to enable, such as Notification Summary, Priority Notifications, and infuse Apple Intelligence with camera control. And in case you don't have Siri enabled, then it will ask you to set up Siri to unlock its full potential. So go ahead and set it up. After enabling it, you'll see it will download necessary data for Apple Intelligence in the background, so make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi. After it's finished downloading, you can even go further by scrolling down to Extensions, click on ChatGPT, and set it up by logging in with your account. Tap on Setup, and either use your ChatGPT account or just select Enable ChatGPT to use the free version. And after you've logged in and set up ChatGPT, make sure to go to Siri Responses and select Prefer Spoken Responses, or else in some cases ChatGPT doesn't work. Now that you're all set, Siri will ask your permission to tap into ChatGPT whenever needed.
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Yes.
As of 2000.
Let us know how it went and have fun.